Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how to add a journal in Sage Construction Management. I am starting on the home page. Now, if you need to make a journal for leads or projects, the process is both the same. I will be showing you through projects. Go over here to the left, click Projects. Select from the list or the hyperlinks below whatever project you need to add a journal to. Scroll down to Correspondence and click Journals. Go over to Actions, Add Manually. The project, issue date, journal number, type, and your company information will all be filled out, but you are able to change these. They will just automatically fill out for you. You need to put in your issue time and subject. You can change the type. Put in a reminder date. And you can put in a due date. Both of these are optional. You can put in a description. And this description can include links and pictures as well. You can add references down here, such as drawing and location, spec section or other, and subcontract number, CO number. Press next. So companies and contacts that will be responding to your journal must exist in the contact management module and be referenced in the project directory prior to importing. If the company contacts are not going to be imported at this time, please, you can use the skip button and you'll move on to the next step. This step is optional, but it is recommended. So you are able to search here for the companies that you need to select, or you can select one by one. If you click this checkbox, it will check all of them for you. Add in next. Here you can add files, drag whatever files you need, click the add button, click in here also to add. Then you can link existing drawings, photos, or other records. You can also skip this step. Skip and finish. And there you have created a journal manually.